Good morning, everybody. I am Sylvia, the crafty old lady. Today I have got this interesting background. I don't know what this means. I mean, I obviously know it means money, but we're going to cover that up. These steps to me look like books, so we're going to pretend they're books. She's climbing up the books, and I'm going to put this lovely lady on the very top of the books. And I'm going to put this lovely lady on the bottom of the books. And then we're going to have another pile of books, which we're going to cover up the money with. And we're going to have this lovely lady sitting on top of the books. And that is going to be my collage. I guess you could call it a surreal collage. So that's what I'm calling it. I might outline her dress with black ink just so it will pop out a little bit better, but I'm going to get my glue stick now and I'm going to glue my background on. I think this was an article about investing, maybe? I forget. I don't know if those things are supposed to look like books, but they look like books to me. Maybe they're like financial ledger books, you know what I mean? But anyway, to me, they're just books. So I was going to ink her dress in black. Let's get some black ink out. See if I can just kind of do it like this. It's not a very smooth cut there. I might try to cut that better, but it's so small, I don't want to ruin it altogether. Sometimes, when I try to make things better, it makes things worse. It's just very choppy right here. There, I think that will look better. Yeah, I actually did something right that time. Okay. So I guess we'll put her on first. She's going up here. And she's teeny tiny. So I'm going to be careful with her. Kind of have her arm over there. There. She went on nice and smooth. That wrinkle's not going to be covered though. Let's put the books down next. I'm gluing off to the side. I think you could probably see it a little bit. Not that it really matters. That's not really all that important to see. I'm sure you know how to glue. So let's get that totally covered, just like that. So we are covering up the wrinkle here, I believe. Yes, so that's nice. So we'll put her on the top here. These are all still going to be showing though. That's so annoying. Oh, sorry. I didn't know I was down so low. I better cover my ink up. Okay, so now we're going to glue her down. And I hope you guys are happy, healthy, and safe and having a great day. It's a beautiful day so far where I live. A little chilly, but I can live with that. There, I think that's good. Yeah, I do think from now on I should put the glue. And we can cover up quite a few of the wrinkles if I put her there instead of like there. So let's do that. From now on I'm definitely going to put my glue on my paper, this paper first for my backgrounds. Well, let's see if I can get her hand and fingers without ripping them. I gotta find some more people to cut out. I'm running out of people. So she is gonna go like right here. I wish I had some quote about reading that I could put on there, but anyway, that's how it looks, and I think we're done. So you can still see a wrinkle up here and here. Oh well, I'll take a picture and put that at the end. Thanks so much for watching. I appreciate your support, and we'll see you again next time. Bye-bye.